Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make burger veg at home, full guide. Gather veggies, buns, spices, a pan, and binding agents like breadcrumbs and egg or flaxseed slurry. Start by finely chopping or pulsing vegetables, then sauté briefly to remove moisture. Mix with seasonings and binders, form patties, chill to set, and pan fry or bake until browned. I'll share tips for crisp edges and juicy centers. I'll walk you through creating patties that hold together and taste great every time. Combine sautéed vegetables, mashed beans, or cooked lentils with breadcrumbs and seasonings in a bowl. Adjust salt and acidity with lemon or vinegar to brighten the mix. Press into uniform patties, chill briefly so they set, then cook on medium heat until both sides are golden and fully warmed through for optimal texture. Cooking technique matters more than you think, and I'll show simple steps that make a big difference. Heat a skillet over medium with a thin oil layer to get a golden crust without drying the center. Toast your buns lightly for crunch and layer with lettuce, tomato, pickles, and your favorite sauce. I'll give quick sauce options and plating tips to elevate the homemade burger experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.